Hi there. So today we are here to see how an account interface works with Ezee. So today we are going to see an account integration of Ezee with QuickBook Online. So this is the screen which you can see on my screen is Ezee front desk to a QuickBook Online tool, which can be used to transfer your data from Ezee front desk to a QuickBook Online. This can be a mediator to transfer the data from an PMS to an accounting software. So I will show you how to configure few things and how to transfer a transaction from Ezee to QuickBook Online and how it will appear in the QuickBook Online. We basically transfer a transaction as a JV in any of the accounting software. So to configure this, you need to go to a configuration over here. And the very first thing is about the front desk revenue. So it's like you need to map the account which you had created in your accounting software over here. So when you transfer a transaction, it will automatically transfer to that certain or particular account. It's like a configuration front desk revenue. You need to first map a room charges, like how you want to transfer a room charges. You want to transfer through a single ledger, or you want to transfer by a room name, a room type, or a rate type. You can select wherever you want to transfer. So as of now, we are transferring as a single ledger. So this is the room revenue. I need to select over here. From here, you need to search the company which you had created in QuickBook, right? Like a room revenue should be transferred where. So let's say if you want to transfer in a sales account, you will select sales like this. Select the account in which you want to transfer. You say apply and then say yes. After that, you need to do save configuration and yes. Like this, you need to do for extra charges as well. Like if you have any extra charges, then you can go to a single ledger as well as charges wise. So if you have multiple charges like this, you can, if you want to create a different account for each charges, then you can map according to that. As of now, we are going with a single ledger. Same goes with pay type. So you need to map all the pay type as a like cash. If we want to map pay type wise, if you want to map a single ledger, if you want to to transfer the transaction pay type wise, currency wise, you can do that as well. As of now, I am mapping the pay type. As you can see, I had mapped with the cash to a cash. Then gas deposit. So if they have a gas and a gas tax deposit, they can map with a deposit as well. After that, you need to select a guest account receivable, like you want to transfer to a single gas ledger, or you want to transfer business source wise. You can transfer business source wise as well. First, I will show you how to transfer to a single ledger. So as of now, I'm selecting a single ledger. If you want to map a discount, you can go to front desk expense and you can map a discount, like discount on room night or a flat discount. If you want, you can have a single discount. You can search a discount account which you had created. You can scroll down and search, and you can type a name and search as well. So let's say discount. I can search like this, and I can select the account and apply, and I will save the transaction. So like this, I can do a various type of mapping. It's called a mapping, configuration mapping, like where and what transaction should be sent, like where can we send taxes, where can we send the room charges. In tax, you can map a flap wise as well. So after configuration, our next step is to transfer the transaction to an Ezee to a QuickBook Online. So to do that, we need to go over here first in transaction. I will say sales and say room sales. I will select the date of which I want to transfer the transaction. Now after this as well, let's say if you want to transfer a single transaction, you will select this, enter the folio number which you want to transfer, let's say F1 5102 and you say search. And if you don't want to transfer a single entry, you can transfer all together as well by clicking on export data to financial accounting system. As of now, I am showing you one by one, so I can show you a different way of transferring to Ezee QuickBooks Online. I will search over here, so I can get the transaction. You can get a bifurcation over here at the bottom, like which amount is going. After selecting this, I say export data to a financial accounting system, and I say yes. Data gets exported successfully into a QuickBooks system. So this is a room charges, tax, sales we can transfer. After this, if you had taken a payment, you need to transfer the receipts as well. So to do that, you again need to go to a transaction and you say receipts. Search the date for which you want to transfer. It's like you can transfer for a whole month, you can transfer for 1 day, 10 day, whatever you like. You can select from and to date. Search it over here. Select this and you say export data to financial accounting system. You say yes. So if you had already posted the transaction, it will give you a message like this. If you want to repost it again, you need to go to posting log. You delete the log and you say clear log. I will search it again. I say yes, and then I will try to transfer it again. So now the data got exported successfully. So now we had transferred one folio into an QuickBooks Online. So now let's see how it will appear in QuickBooks Online system. QuickBooks account. We will go in the reports. And from here we can find a report like general. And as you can see, the entry which was transferred by us is appearing over here as a JV. So like this, you can use our account interface. You can transfer the transaction from Ezee to any of the accounting software as in the form of JV. So this is a normal transaction. Now let me show you how to use by business source. So let's say if you want to transfer like a single ledger for Agoda, a single ledger for booking.com, like source wise. So to do that, you need to go over here, front desk revenue. You need to go over here, guest account receivable, and from here, instead of single ledger, you will remove this. You say reset. And you go over here in business source, you search the business source. So I had created one business source with the name of Ezee. I will search it and say easytechnosis.com. Then I will go over here in account mapping. I will try to search with Ezee as if we have created an account with Ezee or not. So yes, I had created Ezee Travels. And I say save. Now let's go to Ezee front desk and check if we have any transaction from Ezee Travels. I will go to my dashboard and see. So let's make any of the transaction. I will open this room 114. And over here in business source, I will add at Ezee. So Ezee Technosis, and I say update. And over here in build to as well, I say Ezee, or we will reset that. And let's take one payment as well over here in cash. or any other payment type in which you want to take. So our folio number which we are going to transfer for a business source wise mapping is this. We'll copy this. We'll go again into an interface and we say transaction cells, we say room cells, we'll enter the folio number and then we say search. So over here now you can see instead of guest ledger you are getting a name Ezee Travelers. We'll try to export it to an accounting system. And yes, it says the data exported successfully. Now we'll try to we'll try to export a receipt as well for the same date. So we need to transfer a receipt for this folio. We'll copy and paste the folio and say search. We'll select the receipt which you want to transfer and you say yes. And yes, the data exported successfully. So again, to check this, we'll go to an Ezee Quickbooks Online. We say reports again. Reports. We say general. And yes, as you can see over here, the second entry is also transferred. And now instead of guest ledger, you can see Ezee Travels as now we are transferring business source files. So this is how you can use our Ezee accounting interface with any of the accounting software. Thank you for viewing this video.